How to fix Spotify not sharing to Instagram problem. So if you want to fix Spotify not sharing to Instagram problem, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, if you open up your Spotify application, you can go with a song, and here you will have share option. Tap on share, and from share you can go with your Instagram stories or your Instagram messages, right? But if you don't find the Instagram section under your share, then you can just simply go back, open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you can go with search, and under search, you need to search for Spotify and make sure that you've updated your Spotify. And the other thing is you need to search for Instagram and make sure that you updated your Instagram. After doing that, you can go back and tap and hold on to your Spotify application. Go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. That's it. Now you can launch your Spotify and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Spotify not sharing to Instagram problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.